Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It's N975F from Samsung Galaxy. Got Samsung S10 Pen, quite nice phone from Samsung. So in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus N975. So you can use this method without using a computer, but we have to connect this phone to the computer just to get into the recovery. So you don't need to use any software, PC software to do this. So we have to connect this USB cable which is connected to my laptop. So from here what we can do, we can press the power button and the volume down button together to get into the recovery. So let's get started. I'm holding power and the volume down button together. When the phone goes off, I'm gonna switch from volume down to volume up. When you see the Samsung logo Note 10 Plus, you can release the power button but keep holding the volume up. As you can see, we already in the recovery. So from here we can scroll down using the volume up and volume down button. Here we have wipe data. It's gonna delete everything from your phone and the phone will be wiped completely. Your phone numbers, pictures, messages, all your personal data will be erased from the phone. So let's get started. I'm gonna press power to select, factory data reset, confirm, and that's how you reset your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. From here you can reboot the system. Okay, from here it's gonna take a while to boot the phone. Here we go, the phone is on now, so you can get started. Agree to all this terms and condition. So here we are now you can set up your phone, but basically your phone has been wiped and all your data has been erased from this phone. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos.